Tonight we're going to do some fireworks at home. Just picked up a chippy, plating up the boys. We're waiting for Nana and Grandad to arrive. And then we're going to do some fireworks, and I thought that you guys could watch them with us. Dad and Beck have arrived. Dad's trying some of my food. I've got a kebab. Dan's got a pie somewhere. Building a little base. It's Daddy and Grandad. First one that we're gonna light.
They run away.
Run! Is that cool? Do you like it, boys?
Wow, you're like a wizard. Wow. Like a
Got a rocket. Ready?
Go, wow.
Another rocket.